Kerala, forest cover. India is a land of many natural resources. The area under natural vegetation is one of the prime resources for the country's economy and also for the production of many materials. The term forest cover refers to all lands more than 1 hectare in area with a tree canopy density of more than 10%, irrespective of ownership and legal status. Such lands may not necessarily be a recorded forest area. They include orchards, bamboo, and palm. The word canopy in forests refers to the cover of branches and foliage formed by the crowns of trees. The canopy density relates to the percent area of land covered by the canopy of trees. It is expressed as a decimal coefficient, taking closed canopy as a unit. The culturable non-forest area is the net geographical area lying outside recorded forest and forest cover which can support tree vegetation. Forest inventory is the measurement of certain parameters of forests to assess the growing stock and other characteristics of forests. The term moderately dense forest refers to the lands with forest cover having a canopy density between 40 to 70%. The non-forest land is the land without forest cover. The term open forest refers to the lands with forest cover having a canopy density between 10 to 40%. In India, the protected forest is the area notified under the provisions of the Indian Forest Act or other state forest acts having limited degree of protection. In protected forests, all activities are permitted unless prohibited. The term scrub is used to denote a degraded forest land having the canopy density of less than 10%. Trees are large woody perennial plants having a single well-defined stem, bole or trunk and a more or less definite crown. It also includes bamboos, palms, fruit trees, etc. and excludes non-perennial, non-woody species like banana and tall shrubs or climbers. The term very dense forest is used to refer to lands with forest cover having a canopy density of 70% and above. The forest cover in India is 67.71 million hectares, which is 20.6% of its geographical area. Of this, 5.46 million hectares, which is 1.66%, is very dense forests. 33.26 million hectares, which is 10.12%, is moderately dense, and the rest, 28.99 hectares, which constitutes 8.82%, is open, including 0.44 million hectares of mangroves. The percentage of forest cover in the hilly regions of the country is 38.85%, and by excluding areas unavailable for plant growth like the snow-clad areas of the country, it comes to 52.4%. In India, the forest resources are well distributed across the country. The state of Madhya Pradesh has the largest area of 7.6 million hectares under forest cover, constituting 11.22% of the total forest cover of the country, followed by Arunachal Pradesh 10.01%, Chhattisgarh 8.25%, Orissa 7.15%, and Maharashtra 7.01%. The state of Kerala is one of the states of India having a good percentage of forest cover. This most densely populated coastal state is having nearly cent% rate of literacy. It is situated in the southernmost part of the country along the Arabian Sea. The geographical area of the state of Kerala is 38,863 square kilometers. It lies between latitudes 8 degrees 11 and 12 degrees 47 north and longitude 74 degrees 52 and 77 degrees 24 to the east. Physiographically, the state can be divided into coastal, midland and highland zones. The Periyar, the Kaloda and the Athingok are the three important rivers of the state which drain themselves into the Arabian Sea. The backwaters form an attractive and an economically valuable feature of the state. Situated in the humid tropical belt, the state of Kerala is characterized by high rainfall and humidity. The rainfall varies from 1,520 to 4,075 millimeters, and the temperature ranges from 19.8 degrees centigrade to 36 degrees centigrade. The reporting area for land utilization in Kerala is 3.88 million hectares. The forests cover an area of about 1.082 million hectares, which is almost 27.84% of the land area. The land not available for cultivation in Kerala is about 4,75,000 hectares, which is about 12.22%. In Kerala, there is no permanent pasture or grazing lands. The land under miscellaneous tree crops and groves is about 9,000 hectares. The cultivable wasteland in Kerala is about 90,000 hectares. The fallow lands other than current fallows occupy about 47,000 hectares, and the current fallows occupy about 82,000 hectares, which is almost 2.11%. The net area sown in Kerala is 2.10 million hectares, which is about 54.07% of the total area. The recorded forest area of the state is 11,265 square kilometers, which constitutes 28.99% of the state's geographical area. Reserved forests constitute 98.74%, while protected forests constitute 1.26% of the total forest area in the state. The protected areas of Kerala include national parks and wildlife sanctuaries. Kerala has 6 national parks and 15 wildlife sanctuaries covering an area of 2,379 square kilometers, which constitutes 6.12% of the state's geographical area. Shashtam Kota and Ashtamudi are wetlands of national importance located in the Koilon district with an area of 3.75 square kilometers and 32 square kilometers respectively. A part of the Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve also falls in the state of Kerala. The state of Kerala adopts joint forest management practices. The joint forest management was started in the state in 1998, and about 15% of the forest area of the state falls under the joint forest management. There are 327 joint forest management committees managing 0.17 million hectares of forest area in Kerala. The forest cover in the state of Kerala, based on interpretation of satellite data, is 17,324 square kilometers, which is 44.58% of the state's geographical area. In terms of forest canopy density classes, the state has 1,443 square kilometers of very dense forest, 9,410 square kilometers of moderately dense forest, and 6,471 square kilometers of open forest. The distribution of forest cover of the state is shown in this map. The district-wise forest cover in different canopy density classes and scrub, along with the changes below, have been analyzed. The number of districts assessed were 14. The details are as follows. The Alappuzha district. The geographical area of Alappuzha district of Kerala is 1,414 square kilometers. The total forest cover is 38 square kilometers, while the moderate to dense forest cover is 12 square kilometers. Open forest cover is found to be in an area of 26 square kilometers. The tribal and hilly district of Ernakulam. The geographical area of Ernakulam, both tribal and hilly, is 2,407 square kilometers. The total forest cover is 696 square kilometers, out of which very dense forest cover is 12 square kilometers. Moderate to dense forest cover is 299 square kilometers, while the open forest cover is found to be 385 square kilometers. Scrub cover is to be found in a mere 1 square kilometer. The tribal and hilly district of Idukki. The geographical area of Idukki is 5,019 square kilometers. The total forest cover is 3,932 square kilometers, out of which very dense forest cover is 350 square kilometers. Moderate to dense forest cover is 2,160 square kilometers, while the open forest cover is found to be 1,422 square kilometers. Scrub cover is to be found in 5 square kilometers. The tribal and hilly district of Kannur. The geographical area of Kannur is 2,966 square kilometers. The total forest cover is 641 square kilometers, out of which very dense forest cover is 21 square kilometers. Moderate to dense forest cover is 351 square kilometers, while the open forest cover is found to be 269 square kilometers. The Kasaragod district of Kerala, both tribal and hilly, has a geographical area of 1,992 square kilometers. The total forest cover is 592 square kilometers, while the moderate to dense forest cover is 307 square kilometers. Open forest cover is found to be 285 square kilometers, while the scrub cover is found to be a mere 1 square kilometer. The district of Kollam, tribal and hilly. The geographical area of Kollam is 2,491 square kilometers. The total forest cover is 1,337 square kilometers, out of which very dense forest cover is 75 square kilometers. Moderate to dense forest cover is 636 square kilometers, while the open forest cover is found to be 626 square kilometers. The Kottayam district of Kerala. The geographical area of Kottayam is 2,203 square kilometers. The total forest cover is 895 square kilometers, out of which very dense forest cover is 13 square kilometers. Moderate to dense forest cover is 546 square kilometers, while the open forest cover is found to be 336 square kilometers. Scrub cover is found in a mere 1 square kilometer here. The Kozhikode district of Kerala. The geographical area of the hilly district of Kozhikode is 2,344 square kilometers. The total forest cover is 591 square kilometers, out of which the very dense forest cover is 32 square kilometers. Moderate to dense forest cover is 288 square kilometers, while the open forest cover is found in 271 square kilometers area. The Malappuram district of Kerala. The geographical area of the Malappuram district of Kerala, both tribal and hilly, is 3,550 square kilometers. The total forest cover is 1,211 square kilometers, out of which very dense forest cover is 144 square kilometers. The moderate to dense forest cover constitutes 407 square kilometers of area, while the open forest cover is found in 660 square kilometers. Scrub cover is found in 3 square kilometers. The Palakkad district of Kerala. The geographical area of Palakkad, both tribal and hilly, is 4,480 square kilometers. The total forest cover is 1,575 square kilometers, out of which very dense forest cover is 276 square kilometers. Moderate to dense forest cover is 693 square kilometers, while the open forest cover is found in 606 square kilometers area. Scrub cover is found in 35 square kilometers area. The Pathanamthitta district of Kerala. The geographical area of Pathanamthitta district is 2,642 square kilometers. The total forest cover is 1,758 square kilometers, out of which very dense forest cover is 144 square kilometers. Moderate to dense forest cover is 1,149 square kilometers in size, while the open forest cover here in Pathanamthitta is found to be 465 square kilometers. The Thiruvananthapuram district of Kerala. The geographical area of the Thiruvananthapuram district of Kerala, both tribal and hilly, is 2,192 square kilometers. The total forest cover is 1,350 square kilometers, out of which the very dense forest cover is 55 square kilometers. Moderate to dense forest cover is 826 square kilometers, while the open forest cover is found to be 469 square kilometers in size. The district of Thrissur. The geographical area of Thrissur district is 3,032 square kilometers. The total forest cover is 933 square kilometers here, out of which very dense forest cover is 181 square kilometers. Moderate to dense forest cover is 389 square kilometers, while the open forest cover is found in 363 square kilometers. Scrub cover is found to be 5 square kilometers in size. The Wayanad district. The geographical area of the district of Wayanad, tribal and hilly, is 2,131 square kilometers. The total forest cover is 1,775 square kilometers here, out of which the very dense forest cover constitutes an area of 140 square kilometers. Moderate to dense forest cover is 1,347 square kilometers, while open forest cover is found to be 288 square kilometers in size. Scrub cover is found here too, but constitutes a mere 1 square kilometer. The geographical area of all the districts in Kerala is 38,863 square kilometers in size. The total forest cover is 17,324 square kilometers, out of which very dense forest cover is 1,443 square kilometers. Moderate to dense forest cover is 9,410 square kilometers, and open forest cover is 6,471 square kilometers in size. Altogether, these forests cover about 44.58% of the geographical area of the state. The scrub cover is found in 58 square kilometers in the entire state. The top 10 districts with the largest forest area in terms of square kilometers in Kerala are Idukki 3,932, Wayanad 1,775, Pathanamthitta 1,758, Palakkad 1,575, Thiruvananthapuram 1,350, Kollam 1,337, Malappuram 1,211, Thrissur 933, Kottayam 895, Ernakulam 696, Let us now see the altitude zone-wise forest cover in the state of Kerala. The altitude zone-wise forest cover is seen as follows. Between the altitudes of 0 and 500 meters, very dense forest cover is about 216 square kilometers. Moderately dense forest covers about 4,714 square kilometers. Open forest covers about 4,254 square kilometers, and all types put together it is about 9,108 square kilometers. Between the altitudes of 500 and 1,000 meters, very dense forest covers an area of about 590 square kilometers. Moderately dense forest covers an area of about 3,197 square kilometers. Open forest covers an area of about 1,352 square kilometers, and all types put together they amount to 5,139 square kilometers. Now, between the altitudes of 1,000 and 2,000 meters, very dense forest covers an area of about 606 square kilometers. Moderately dense forest covers an area of about 1,442 square kilometers. Open forest covers an area of about 828 square kilometers. And all these types put together amount to 2,876 square kilometers. Between the altitudes of 2,000 and 3,000 meters, very dense forest covers an area of about 31 square kilometers. Moderately dense forest covers an area of about 57 square kilometers. Open forest covers an area of about 37 square kilometers, and all these types put together they amount to 125 square kilometers. In the state of Kerala, in all these altitudinal zones, very dense forest covers an area of about 1,443 square kilometers. Moderately dense forest covers an area of about 9,410 square kilometers. Open forest covers an area of 6,471 square kilometers, and all types put together amount to 17,324 square kilometers. As per the Champion and SAIT classification, the state has 13 forest types which belong to 7 forest type groups. They are tropical wet evergreen, tropical semi-evergreen, tropical moist deciduous, littoral and swamp, tropical dry deciduous, tropical thorn and montane, and wet temperate forests. The estimated tree cover in the state of Kerala is 2,801 square kilometers, which is 7.21% of the entire geographical area of the state. Forests have always been of great importance to human beings on this planet. Today, people depend on forests, especially for their economic value, their environmental value, and their value for culture and recreation. The science of forestry is concerned with increasing and preserving these values by careful management of the available forest land in any country. Let us all protect the forest areas of India.
South Asian archipelago. While many island ecosystems are found in South Asia, those with critical geopolitical significance include the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Lakshadweep Islands in India, Indonesian Islands, Taiwan, the islands in the Korean Sea, and the 4 big islands in Japan. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The Andaman Nicobar Islands spread from 14 degrees 24 north latitude, 93 degrees 10 east longitude to 6 degrees 13 north latitude to 93 degrees 57 east longitude. The total land mass of all the islands put together sums up to 8,249 square kilometers. The northern group of islands, called the Andaman District, is separated from the Nicobar group of islands by the 10 degrees channel. It spans 139 kilometers wide and 1,399 meters deep. There are over 572 islands in the island chain. Only 35 of these are inhabited. Over 86% of the landmass enjoys forest cover. Being thus so strategically located, the island's enhanced geopolitical significance is crucial to the entire Asia-Pacific and the South Asian region. The different islands in the Andaman-Nicobar archipelago include the following islands: Triparis, Great Coco, Little Coco, Landfall, Nakondam, West Island, North Reef, South Island, Long Island, Barren Island, North Passage, Henry Lawrence, Andaman Nicobar Ridge, John Lawrence, Head, Neil Island, Rutland, Sink, Passage, North Brother, North Sentinel, South Sentinel Island in the northern group of islands in the Andaman district, and in the Nicobar district's islands we find Kha Nicobar, Batimalv, Chaura, Tilanchong, Isle of Man, Teresa, Kamota, Kachel, Little Nicobar, Kondul and Great Nicobar. The Indonesian archipelago sits on the Sunda Plate or the Australasian Plate, and also in terms of geopolitics belongs more to ASEAN than to South Asia. Though the entire island chain is a volcanic ecosystem, only 3 islands have recorded eruptions. Barren Island is still an active volcano. Nakondam is dormant, and Invisible Bank is an extinct volcano. Besides, there is a mud volcano in Baratang in the Jarawa reserves in Middle Andamans. Geopolitical significance: other islands like Maldives, Sri Lanka, Indonesia, Diogo Garcia, Mauritius, Madagascar and Singapore are also crucial stakes for global powers. Dozens of countries seek a base for their defense installations. Economic powers like USA, UK, Australia, India, China and France, besides the countries on the Indian Ocean rim, seek to optimize the utilization of resources that obtains from land in this crucial region. The contours of the different ecosystems that prevail in this vast continent thus offer different terrain patterns and different biodiversity profiles. Together with the rainfall, weather vagaries and climatic patterns, Asians have thus inherited rich and diverse agrodiversity. This rich agrodiversity manifests in the form of horticulture, floriculture, fisheries, animal husbandry, harvesting of minor forest produce like honey, lichens and mosses, medicinal herbs, etc. All these human activities have been engendered into the lifestyles of different groups of people who have grown accustomed to the bounty offered by Mother Nature. We thus see how traditions have evolved around natural resources. That is what is meant by agro-meteorological factors conditioning traditional vocations. With this insight, dear students, you now have a fairly in-depth perspective of how the Mother Earth has literally shaped up the place we live in. In this chapter, we have understood the origins of the continents and the diverse geographical and geological factors that have shaped our lives in this thriving, heart-throbbing continent called Asia. In our next episode, we shall understand how the land is influenced by and influences terrain pattern. I hope you will join us then.